Is this the month that Bitcoin finally breaks that major resistance, or are we looking at a surprise altcoin taking the spotlight on Kraken? If you're an active trader or just looking to move some funds onto one of the most reliable and regulated exchanges, you need to know which assets are showing the strongest fundamentals and recent performance. I've been doing my own deep dive into the Kraken listings for this month, and I'm going to share the 3 cryptocurrencies that stand out to me, focusing on their utility and why they make sense for a serious Kraken portfolio right now. 1. Solana, SOL, the scalability powerhouse. My first pick is Solana, SOL. Why Solana on Kraken, specifically? Because its performance and ecosystem growth this year have been impossible to ignore. I'm looking for tokens that have proven they can handle massive network load, and Solana is doing that with extremely fast transaction speeds and micro-low fees. The market narrative around Solana used to be its technical glitches, but the developers have significantly improved network stability. When I look at Kraken's trading volume for SOL, it tells me that institutional and retail investors are moving capital here because it's a direct, high-speed competitor to Ethereum for DeFi, NFTs, and gaming. If you're trading frequently, the low transaction cost on the Solana network is a huge competitive edge compared to higher fee chains. I'm holding it because I believe its utility is only just beginning to be priced in, especially as new high-profile dApps launch on the platform. 2. Chainlink, Link, the decentralized bridge. Next up is Chainlink, Link. I consider this a foundational piece for any well-rounded crypto portfolio, and it's heavily traded on Kraken. Why is Link so critical? It's not just a volatile token, it's the industry standard for connecting real-world data to smart contracts. It's what we call an oracle. Think about that for a second. Without Chainlink, most smart contracts can't function in the real world. They provide reliable, tamper-proof data feeds for DeFi lending protocols, insurance products, and tokenized real-world assets. Kraken's deep liquidity in Link suggests to me that smart money sees it as a necessary infrastructure play. It's a less speculative bet on a particular layer 1 chain and more of a bet on the entire DeFi ecosystem continuing to grow. It offers me a level of diversification because its value is tied to the utility of all smart contracts, not just one blockchain. 3. Avalanche, AVAX, the modular contender. My final pick for this month is Avalanche, AVAX. The reason Avalanche is on this list is its unique approach to scaling, known as the subnet model. While other layer 1s compete for speed, Avalanche focuses on customizability. Subnets allow projects to launch their own application-specific blockchains with tailored rules, which is hugely attractive to corporate and institutional adoption. Kraken is one of the few top-tier exchanges offering seamless trading for AVAX, which signals its rising prominence. I see AVAX as a great medium-risk, high-reward play. It has the technical foundation to support large-scale enterprise use cases, which could be the next catalyst for a significant price move. For me, investing in AVAX on Kraken is a direct investment in the future of customized blockchain solutions. Remember, this is not financial advice. These are simply the 3 cryptocurrencies currently listed on Kraken that, based on my analysis of their utility and recent market action, I am focusing on right now. Always do your own research to align any investment with your risk tolerance and goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.